Hi, my name is Rahil from Brownwood Renovation, and I would like to welcome you to this beautiful ADU basement right here in the heart of Missisauga. A project my team recently completed on time and within the budget. This is one of the builds that I am incredibly proud of. At Brownwood Renovation, our mission is simple: to deliver exceptional craftsmanship, premium finishes, and create space that feels just as refined, comfortable, and livable as the rest of your home. Take a look at the flooring. We have installed high-quality 9mm SPC vinyl planks paired with antibacterial padding, tough, low maintenance, and stylish enough for everyday living. Underneath, we have added a DMX underlayment system. It controls moisture, promotes airflow, dampens sound between levels, adds thermal insulation, and extends the life of your floor. It's one of those invisible upgrades that really elevate long-term comfort and durability. Fully functional and built for real living, it features a center island, quartz countertop, and tile backsplash, and soft close cabinetry throughout. Whether it's for entertaining in-laws or rental suite, the kitchen adds real versatility to this space. Every interior door here is a Lincoln Park style slab paired with modern minimalist hardware for clean contemporary look. Notice the crisp trim line, seamless transition, and attention to detail, all finished to highest professional standards. This isn't just another ADU basement. It's a high-performance, beautiful crafted extension of the home above. Warm, comfortable, and built to last. If you are the homeowner thinking about building a basement, this is the level of quality and care you can expect from Brownwood Renovation. So call us today to schedule the consultation. Let us build your dreams together.